way up to the canyon. They shut it down because I don't know what happened. But as you can see, this guy brought the big boy toy out. Stop playing with him. Big boy toys. Mr. Boy, call me King. Struggling.
Over there, down there. Like when we first got off the freeway.
This guy right here, flamethrower Camaro. Oh, he lost it. Boy Zamora. You see it? You see it? You see it? Gang shit, no lame shit, you heard?
That's all that. To get up here, and I broke my car in the first clear spot.
I broke the control arm.
Yeah, since it's got back.
Snap.
Do you want to like?
I hit the control. I hit that fucking pothole.
Oh, it's snap.
that fool's on fire. Well, the cops aren't here, and I guess
Right here.
Yup, cops aren't here, my boy. Look at this shit. Goodness. I guess the cops aren't here. Look, fuck. Oh shit.
That's what Bob said. I couldn't
Got here for 2 seconds. As soon as I got here, pop clutch and snapped everything and destroyed everything in a matter of 2 seconds. And it took me 2 hours to get up here. I quit. I'm done.
Frankie always used to ride around with camber arms. He always used to ride around with adjustable camber arms.
I told myself I was not gonna do donuts.
I don't know why you even did donuts.
Huh?
I don't know why you even did donuts.
I was just like, I'm gonna just floor it and then I'm gonna just, look cool for like 2 seconds, and I broke my car in 2 seconds. That's it.
Looking cool. He broke his car.
Wow.
See, next time.
It ain't gonna be a next time I quit.
Where they go?
Tomorrow you're gonna get cracking at something.
Facts. You're gonna go like wet.
And just like that, we're driving back down like nothing happened. But shout out to the homie Hector. He had the spare parts. V-Loan for helping change it.
I did it again.
Literally 2 seconds. And broke his car.